Hello guys, I woke up this morning and found out that my microwave is not heating food. Then I googled it and found out that this is just an easy fix. So I will try to fix it myself. This is an RCA microwave. It is actually working. It has light. You can turn it on. It's rotating, but it's not heating my food. So let me show you. I have 3 ice cubes here. I'll set 2 minutes. Okay. As you can see, for 2 minutes it should melt, but it's still like this. Okay, so we're gonna open the microwave, but to be safe, you have to unplug it. It's hard. There. Okay, so let's unscrew. Okay. There. So I found the schematic diagram on top of or on the cover of the microwave. And according to Google, we have to replace the high voltage fuse. And so I found it right here. It is connected to capacitor and to the high voltage transformer. So let's find it. So this is the inside of our microwave. And we have to find the high voltage fuse. On top of this one, so as per the schematic, it is connected to the capacitor and the transformer. So I found one fuse here, but this is not what we're looking for. We're looking for the one that is connected with capacitor and transformer. So this is the capacitor, and this is the transformer. So this one might be it. So I have to remove this one and check inside this container. So this is the socket of the fuse. It says 5 kilovolts, 0.8 amperes. So let's open it. Oh, yeah. So this is really it. So I have to take it off. And this is the fuse. I tried to look for replacement for this fuse in stores like an Asian Tire, Home Depot, and Walmart. But unfortunately, they're not selling this kind of fuse. So I looked online and found something in Amazon, and it cost me $8 to $9. Put the link in the description below, and let's try to open it up and put it in the microwave. Okay, so there's 3 on the package. So I just need 1. Let's put it. There is actually no orientation for it. So, and then we have to close it back in. Hopefully it will work. Okay, there. So I put the microwave back on, and we will try to melt this ice using the new fuse that we just installed. Hopefully it will work. Okay, setting for 2 minutes again. Okay, so actually melt. There, careful. And it worked! Yay! Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you learned something from my video. So if you ever encounter this issue, like the microwave is working but the food is not heating up, so it's quite easy to fix, and just look for my video. So thank you again for watching. Hope you like it. Don't forget to comment and subscribe to my channel.